Hello everyone, my name is Anushri Gajbiye, student of the Britsang Institute in a batch of 17 of a pharma. Today I will tell you about the types of the adverse event. The adverse event is an untoward medical in occurs in patients or clinical investigator subject, then administered pharmaceutical products, and which does not necessarily have a causal relationship with this treatment. An adverse event can therefore be any unfavorable and unintended signs, that means the including an abnormal laboratory finding, be be then be any unfavorable and unintended signs, systems or disease temporary associated with the use of medical, then medical products, whether or not related to the medicinal, then investigational product, then the sponsor collects adverse event report from the local researchers and notifies all patienting sites, then of the adverse event at the other sites, as both the local investigators and the sponsors judgment of the seriousness of the adverse events. This process allows the sponsors and the local investigators access then to a set of data might suggest potential problems with the study treatment while the study is still ongoing. Then a type of the adverse event is the all clinical trials have the potential of a potential to produce a adverse event. The adverse events are classified as a serious or non-serious, then expected or unexpected, and study related, then possibly study related or not study related. Then for example, while a study data tests the effectiveness of new blood pressure, then cut for a period of 10 minutes, then might seen innocuous, then the potential exists for the patient's skin to be irritated by the device. Then a patient in that study might also die during that 10 minutes period. Then both skin irritating and sudden death will be considered adverse event system. In this case, the skin death would be classified as a serious and unexpected. That means unless the patient was already at a death door, the the local researcher would use her medical judgment to determine whether the death could have been related to study device. The both the skin irritation and the death are an unexpected event, and should alert the researcher then to the potential existence of problems, then with the devices, uh, The researchers would report this adverse event system to the local institute review board, then institution review board, and to the sponsor, and await a direction on whether to stop the study. Then if the researcher feels their imminent the danger posed by the device, then he or she can use medical discretion to stop a patient from patienting in the study. Then an adverse event can also be declared to the normal treatment of the patient, which is suspected of being caused by the medication being taken for a medical device used in a treatment for the patient.